Not every car company has abandoned the humble station wagon, not the least of which is Volvo. In fact, that brand is arguably one of the first that springs to mind when it comes to that type of vehicle, owing to square long-roofed machines bearing the Volvo badge being a fixture of well-heeled neighborhood for decades. This is one of the few wagons remaining which hasn't gained ride height, body cladding, and several inches of ground clearance. The station wagons are an endangered species, and hence the V60 doesn't have too much competition. There's the Mercedes-Benz E-Class wagon and the Audi A6 Allroad. Customers should know the mild hybrid powertrain is no longer available as a new vehicle in this country, but a plug-in hybrid option remains. This appends a recharge suffix to the V60 name, a development which can be confusing since not every mention of the 2025 V60 has that notation. Additionally, the recharge name was applied to all electric vehicles at Volvo in an on-again off-again fashion over the past few model years. The tag team of internal combustion and electrification make for a hearty 455 horsepower in this plug-in hybrid, good for a run to 100 km per hour from rest in just 4.6 seconds. Maximum torque is listed at a towering 523 lb-ft. Through it isn't instantly clear if all that twist is available at the same time, since it is simply a sum of the engine and motor. Thanks to an 18.8 kWh lithium-ion battery, this car can run up to 64 km on electricity alone when conditions are right. Nerds at NR can list the gasoline portion of this team to return 8.0 L/100 km in town, 7.2 on the highway, and 7.6 combined. All told, this wagon should be good for over 800 km of range when both the battery and fuel tank are full.